Many people spend it every day without noticing the lion and national emblems on it. Did you know some specific 5 pence coins are worth more than face value? Collectors are carefully checking dates and mint conditions of this coin right now. Watch till the end to discover the full history and real value of this amazing coin, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer 100 Points Money Mouth Face Hushed Face. In today's detailed video, we are exploring the United Kingdom 5 pence coin that features the modern royal shield design, a coin that represents not only monetary value, but also centuries of British history and national identity combined into one small but meaningful piece of metal. This particular design was introduced in 2008 as part of a major redesign of UK coinage where the reverse sides of several denominations together form a complete royal shield when placed side by side, making this 5 pence coin an important piece of a larger artistic concept created by designer Matthew Dent. The coin shows a portion of the royal arms of the United Kingdom, including sections of the Lions of England and the Harp of Ireland, symbolizing unity between the nations within the United Kingdom. The inscription, 5 pence, clearly indicates its denomination, while the artistic shield segments reflect strength, tradition, and monarchy. This coin is made from cupronickel, a durable alloy composed mainly of copper and nickel, giving it a silver appearance and resistance to corrosion, which allows it to remain in circulation for many years without significant damage. The standard diameter of the modern smaller 5 pence coin is approximately 18 millimeters, and it has a milled or reeded edge which helps in identification and prevents counterfeiting. Before 1990, the 5 pence coin was larger in size and similar to the old shilling, but it was reduced in size to lower production costs and make it more convenient for everyday transactions. The obverse side typically features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II for coins minted before 2023, with different portrait versions used over time as her image was updated during her reign. In newer issues, the portrait of King Charles III has begun to appear, marking a significant historical transition in British coinage. Collectors often pay special attention to the year of issue, mint condition, and any rare minting errors such as off-center strikes or double dies, which can significantly increase the value of the coin beyond its face value. Although most 5 pence coins remain common in circulation, certain years with lower mintage numbers or coins preserved in uncirculated condition can attract higher demand in the numismatic market. The royal shield design itself carries deep symbolism because it represents the monarchy's authority and the unity of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland under one sovereign crown. Many coin enthusiasts appreciate this design because it connects modern currency with centuries-old heraldic tradition. Over time, circulated coins may show wear on the high points of the shield design, particularly on the lion figures, which is why collectors prefer coins with sharp and clear details. Storing coins in protective holders and avoiding direct contact can help preserve their mint luster and surface quality. While the face value of this coin is small, its historical importance and design concept make it an interesting addition to any coin collection. Some special commemorative versions and proof sets of the 5 pence coin have also been issued, which can carry higher collectible value compared to regular circulation strikes. The 2008 redesign marked a turning point in UK coin history, making these shield coins part of a modern collectible era. If you have a 5 pence coin at home, check its year, design sharpness, and overall condition carefully, because small differences can sometimes make a big impact in collector interest. Even though millions were minted, condition and rarity always determine real market worth. This coin is a perfect example of how everyday money can carry artistic beauty and national symbolism at the same time. If you enjoyed learning these full details about the 5 pence Royal Shield coin, make sure to like this video, share it with other coin lovers, and subscribe to Coin Explorer for more exciting coin discoveries and Value Guide's Money Mouth Face 100 Points Hushed Face.